Hello everyone, I'm Nirupama Reddy from Hanu Reddy Realty. The Great Mango Festival by Hanu Reddy Mango Tourism is the brainchild of Mr. Hanu Reddy. His vision is to bring the world to India to experience mangoes. Mangoes are our national fruit and abundantly grown throughout our country. The idea for a mango tourism was inspired by apple picking, strawberry picking, which happens in Western countries. People travel all the way and great distances to experience these unique phenomena, like going to see cherry blossoms in Japan. That's how the idea of mango tourism was born. Mr. Hanu's vision is also to help farmers. The farmers are not guaranteed a proper produce every year. So it's like 1 year you have a good crop, 1 year there's no crop. So this is also a unique way of teaching them how to make an additional income. And ultimately, when people create these experiences and share it with people, their incomes are going to grow up, and ultimately the GDP of the country is also going to go up. At this festival, it's not just about mangoes. We have traditional games, a lot of cultural activities. So we have games like Palanguli, Adupuli Atam, Paramapadam. Children these days, the only games they play are on their phones. So this is a lovely way for the whole family to sit around and experience these games. We also have a lot of cultural activities like Parayatam, puppet shows, storytelling, for children to learn about what our culture is. The unique feature of our farm is this 156 feet long table. Let me tell you a little story about how this table came to be. In 2016, Chennai witnessed one of the worst cyclones, Varda. Mr. Hanu has this philosophy of creating something from all waste products. This table has been repurposed from all the wood that was uprooted by the Varda cyclone. This table has taken a life of its own. There are so many events happening around it. So many people are being employed because of it. You could say that this mango tourism also came out of this table. And we are happy to say that we've tried to curate a special meal for you with all mango-inspired recipes from across our country. This meal has been specially curated for all of you by Pushpa's Kitchen. At this festival, we are also conducting unique workshops which teach children about sustainability and also about zero waste, and make our event also, as far as possible, a zero waste event. We are also having a workshop on permaculture, which will teach people how to grow plants even in a limited space. You can have beautiful fruit trees even in a little balcony, in a little pot. We have a workshop about how to make seed balls, how to grow more plants, and teach them about connecting with nature. We'd like families to come and experience a day of fun without looking at their phones, except to take pictures of how they're enjoying themselves, to have a beautiful time. I invite you all to come and be a part of this great mango festival. It can be your way of giving back to society, to the farmers, and to most of all have a wonderful time. Looking forward to having you all there.